As you saw in the intro, I've constructed a Centurion MK5 AVRE made out of foam, PVC, cardboard, and a bunch of other random crap. This thing is built for my local Nerf battles and is armed as such. It's got a spring-powered tennis ball gun that will lob a tennis ball or anything shoved down the barrel about 15 meters, so range isn't too great. It's got foam board armor / cardboard. I just used what I had, and that is enough to mount shots from Nerf guns, tennis balls, whatever. This thing is based off the real-life Centurion MK5 AVRE, which is a Centurion MK5 that the Royal Engineers took and put a giant 165mm gun on it. It was a bulldozer blade and some explosive reactive armor. This thing is a beast. The gun fires HESH ammunition, which is basically just a big block of plastic explosive that flattens all over enemy armor and explodes, rupturing the back of the armor and sending shrapnel everywhere. The tank itself, for me, my one right here, is an office chair with a PVC frame built around its base. That's the hole. The reason why we use an office chair is because an office chair can spin, and that means we can have a turret, and the commander can sit inside of the turret. So yeah, we built a PVC frame on the top of the office chair, which made the turret. Gun rests on part of the PVC, and it works. We built armor around that, all of the stuff, so we have a fully traversable turret, which is really actually quite cool for a cardboard tank. There's a hatch on top, that way the commander can peek his eyes out, and a hatch in the back for the commander and the driver to get in. The commander doubles as gunner, it's only a 2-man crew. You're dead. Cody! Cody's dead. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and thank you to War Thunder for letting me borrow the Centurion MK5 AVRE in game. I really appreciate it. Here's a quick kill montage I got with the Centurion in War Thunder, so...
Oh, hello, friend. I found a tank. I'm guessing that range to be roughly 900. 700. Bye. Oh my goodness, let's go!
Reed's gonna get all my ammo, and Cody's gonna get the Perseus.
Perseus is this thing, by the way. It's the machine gun that we have. You don't like being up there, do you?
I have a bright future.
You do? You gotta go for. Do you have the camera? Okay, awesome.